Ganun ka-potent.
Holy crap. Oh my God! Smells like college.
Welcome to Angeles, Pampanga. We are now currently
Nasa Clark na tayo.
Oh, nasa Clark na pala kami.
Clark tayo ngayon.
Nasa Clark na kami. And nandito po kami sa aming 1-2 Sarang Idol Dorm.
Yes!
So, makikita niyo po yung room tour namin dito. We'll also put in the details of this beautiful Airbnb sa mga gustong mag-stay. Mag-dorm life. Yes. Pero ang agenda po natin ngayon ay mag-try out ng different kinds of Korean alcoholic beverages that we found at the K Mall. Kim's Mall. Only here.
The K Home Mart.
K Home Mart. It's the biggest Korean grocery in the Philippines, is it?
I think so.
Parang ganun. So, marami po siyang daming gamit. Makikita niyo rin po ang aming K-Mart tour.
Yes.
Abangan niyo na rin po yan. But for now, we are gonna test out these beautiful beverages that we saw over there. Okay, where do we start? What's that?
This is a blue bottle. Hindi po siya Jinro.
Yes.
Because, guys, natuto akong magbasa ng Korean para dito.
Correct.
Dahil sa baba nakalagay diamond. And let's now read it in Korean.
Yeah.
In Hangul nakalagay diamond. So that's what it is in Korean.
Very malaka.
For your, read it Monica.
For your shining life.
Yeah!
Shining diamond.
This is for all our carrots out there.
Shining diamond.
Shining diamond. Yun! Let's make it
Okay.
Ilapit mo para makita nila yung ano.
Yan.
It's magic. And we're gonna pop.
Woo!
Nabili rin po namin to sa Mart. This is cute heart-shaped shot glasses.
4, 1, 2, Sarang!
Okay, let's try it out. Okay. Laki pala na target. Sorry naman! Okay, mababa to, 14%.
16.9%
siya. Kaya natin yan, may mas mataas pa. Okay. Shan!
It's yummy. Pretty light.
It is, actually.
It's like water. Wow, ang
Wow!
yabang. Kasi, wow, ang yabang.
Wow!
Kasi, ano, water.
Oo nga. Tangin na, jubo.
Bakit may tissue yun sa akin?
Ay, sorry! Sorry, wala kasi pamunas.
Tissue. It's very light. But usually kasi kapag mahilig ako sa soju na walang taste, I don't know why it's not sweet to me. Di ba sabi nila bad daw yun? Kapag hindi sweet yung soju, hindi maganda yung araw mo.
Ay.
Talaga?
Okay. So, ito naman ang ating next drink. So, this is actually a wain. It's the original plum wine.
Wain?
Wain.
Korean wine
Hindi
is great.
nakalagay kung ilang percent siya.
Grabe, ginugulat talaga tayo ng mga to.
100 ba?
100?
What does it say?
19? I mean, it's the only number there.
Percent? Or... So, ano nga bang plum? Paki-explain.
A plum is a fruit. Period.
Spell plum.
P-L-M.
Para ako yun. Pia Laura Mercado. Correct!
Uy,
Ayan.
it smells good.
It smells like juice.
It smells like apple juice.
Oo nga eh. Okay.
Very fruity, very sweet on the nose.
Chan! Uy, nag-blend din tayo doon.
Oh!
Yes!
Kasi nasa dorm tayo.
Correct. Para siyang juice. Pag kunyari bata ka, uminom ka niyan, di mo mapapansin na nalalasing ka na.
Yeah. It reminds me of Cali Shandy, actually.
Oh, yeah! Parang grape juice na medyo bitter.
Oo.
Or like a plum juice. A prune juice.
Oo.
May
Maybe
ganun yung
prune.
lola ko dati. Parang ganyan yung
Actually.
lasa.
So baka may mga medicinal qualities din to. Kung may UTI ka, okay ata.
I expected it to be sweeter from the smell.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pero hindi
actually.
pala. Pero mabigat siya sa mouth compared to the soju.
That's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
Oo nga. I
For
like this
sure.
one. I feel like it's a kind of drink I can drink by myself.
Oh, this is like, pang solo lang naman ata tong size natin because we are responsible for now. So, we have this teeny tiny thing. It's called Jiang Xiao Bai. Shit. Did I say it right?
张烧拜
And apparently, ito yung iniinom ni na June.
Yes.
Anong episode yon? Go say? Or
They always, actually sa mga live nila, binabanggit nila yung Baiju.
okay. So, is it wine? Spirit.
It's a spirit. So basically, ang spirit is kung ano yung pinaka state ng alcohol before you distill it or before, kunwari, kung magiging whiskey siya bago siya pumunta sa cask. Parang ganun siya. So it's like alcohol in its purest form.
Jeez.
Oh my God. I'm
So,
so
totoo
scared.
nga. Kasi natatakot kami dahil sa packaging pa lang. Mukha siyang ethyl alcohol. So, literal alcohol
talaga
siya.
siya.
This is 40% alcohol.
Yeah,
So that's usually the alcohol percentage of whiskey.
Wow.
And it's a Chinese product, by the way. Chinese Baiju. So, just to clarify, kaya lang si June kasi K-pop. So, pinasok na namin sa option. Holy crap. Oh my God! Smells like college. Oh my God.
Yeah. Pure spirit.
Gago.
Sige, habang ginagawa, may kwento ako. May isang beses na nung I used to
Yan,
work for an
kakwento.
alcohol company, liquor company, and one of our major markets was Taiwan. And paborito yun inumin din ng mga Taiwanese. So isang beses, ininom namin yan sa isang bar sa Taiwan. Hindi ko din sure paano ako nakabalik at nakipag-meeting the next day. During yung meeting namin the next day, sabi nung colleague ko na based in Taiwan, nagbayad ba tayo kagabi? Dami namin inom!
Okay, pray for our souls.
I'm scared.
Matamis nga siya actually.
Oh, okay, I have a runny nose.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Matamis siya. Ako lang ba? Natatamisan?
Matamis siya.
Matamis, diba?
Oo, pero parang ano siya, parang siyang tequila na pinadaan sa, rust.
I can feel a tingle.
I can feel it in my tummy.
It
Oo,
went
it
up.
warms you up.
It does warm you up.
Kaya hindi yan sikat dito sa Pilipinas kasi bakit mainit, diba?
I guess.
Hindi tayo
So,
inom ng
tequila
nakakainit.
talaga.
Correct. Parang ngayon, parang feeling ko na nagda-dry yung dila ko.
Oh.
Very drying siya.
Oo.
Which is also like a tip para sa mga umiinom. Pag umiinom kayo, make sure na kung ano man yung dami ng ininom nyo, tapatan nyo ng tubig. Para hydrated kayo at mas bawas lasing. Correct!
So, this last one, ako pumili. Bakit ko pinipili?
Kasi may
Pinili.
buwan
Kasi may flower.
Oh, pretty.
Ang ganda ng bottle. And then my fruit, I think this is a plum. I think
What if
it's
it's a
a-
Shain Muscat too? What if it's a Shain Muscat too?
I don't think it is. I think it's
Parang
plum.
kamyas
Maybe
pala.
Tangkal.
And
Or
then-
bayabas na maliit.
Makopa.
Makopa.
But it's 14% alcohol, 100% recyclable. But
Aw.
I'm keeping the bottle because it's so pretty.
It is.
Yes. There you go.
Oh, okay. So it's a screw cap
And then?
and the thingy. Oh no.
Binubutas yan. Patis yan eh.
Ay, may konting strength involved.
Yeah. I guess it's so that you seal the ano talaga.
Ay, girl, hindi. Ayan. Okay. This is
Cute. It's a nice color.
It is a nice color. It's like a lot lighter than the other plum juice.
Yeah. Ayan. Para for comparison, makita ninyo.
Smell.
Ooh!
Wow.
I don't know
Okay.
what to think about it yet. Parang amoy siya, kulog na kwarto.
Or alam mo yung
Ano
ano,
siya syrup?
amoy,
Syrup.
alam mo yung sabon na luma na, pero ginamit mo
Correct.
for a time
Yes.
as a scent
Ah,
in the of our
Yes.
bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inumin natin eh. No?
Chan!
Okay, chan! I don't like this.
It's very sour.
It is sour, actually.
Okay. It's kind of better towards the end.
Yeah, it becomes sweeter.
Oo.
Yeah. But the first wave,
You're-
the first impact is a little bit expired
It reminds
candy.
me of something.
Lasang siya, sinigang for me. Lasa siyang sabaw. Lasa siyang savory.
I know, I'm confused with it. I like the taste of this one better kasi parang mas madali siyang inumin. Ito parang pag taste mo, medyo may konti kang resistance. Parang, what the is this? Pero parang yun nga, may sweetness siya sa dulo.
Oo.
I think the finish is really good with this one. That's
true.
compared to this one na parang diretso lang, wala tong finish.
Yeah.
Ito meron.
Correct.
Well, in K-dramas, we see them when they make their homemade spirit,
Yeah.
alcohol. Parang ito yon, I guess. So it's a little bit more everyday, end of the day, unwind,
setup.
kind of drink.
Okay, rank.
Okay,
On 4.
rank. I guess ito 1, 2, 3. Ito, malayo na to.
Same.
Ano to? Pag may malaking problema, sa ako lang yan iinom.
Ako, same answer. Siguro kung nag-time travel, pipiliin ko to.
Oo.
But you know, we're done that. We're not a K-drama.
Oo. We're not in college anymore.
Yes.
Ako, mas gusto ko yung mga clear spirits.
Mm.
So ako ito, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Or baka 3, 4. Anyway, nagbabago tong dalawa.
Magano siya.
Nakadepende siya sa mood eh, no?
Oo.
Yun
Sa-
nga eh.
Sa
Tama.
need mo for the day.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo, correct. Tama.
Mas fan ako ng clear spirits and distilled spirits.
Distilled spirits.
So these aren't?
Oo, parang casks lang kasi yung wine, di ba?
Ah.
Hindi siya dumadaan sa distillation process.
Gets, gets.
And you learn something new. Especially if you listen to One to Sarah! Watch out for our other videos about our trip here at Clark and Angeles, Pampanga!